So in example 2, we want to rewrite these log equations in exponential form. The log base 2 of 32 equals 5. Since the base is 2, then we have a 2. The answer to the logarithm is the exponent, so the exponent on the base is a 5. And then the argument of the log, the 32, is the answer, and that would mean that 2 to the 5th power equals 32, which is true, so that works. Okay, in example B, the log base 7 of 1 equals 0. The base raised to the power of the answer, which is 0, is equal to the argument of the log, which is 1. So 7 to the 0 equals 1, which is true. Then in example C, the log, there's no base written, so that's a common log, log base 10 of 1 over 100 equals -2. So my base of the common log is 10. The answer is the exponent, so 10 to the -2. And then that equals the argument of the log, which is 1 over 100. And 10 to the -2 does in fact equal 1 over 100. Okay, next we have the natural log of 1 over e equals -1. The natural log is a log base e. Then the exponent is the answer, so e to the -1, and that equals the argument of the log 1 over e. Okay, now we're going to do that in reverse, where we rewrite these exponential equations in logarithmic form. So here we have 6 to the -2 equals 1 over 36. The base is 6, so we'll have a log, and then the subscript on the log is a 6, so log base 6 of, and then the argument of the log is 1 over 36. And the answer to that logarithmic expression is the exponent -2. So the log base 6 of 1 over 36 is equal to -2. And then we have 81 to the 1/4 power equals 3. So that's going to be a log base 81 of the argument 3. That's the answer to our exponential equation. And that logarithmic expression, log base 81 of 3, is equal to the exponent 1/4, because a logarithm is an exponent. Okay, next we have 10 to the 2nd power equals 100. Remember, a base of 10 is a common log, and so we don't need to write the base. We just write the word log, and it's assumed to be a base 10 if we don't write it. Then the argument of our log is the answer, which is 100. So the common log of 100 equals the exponent, which is 2. And then we have e to the 1 equals e. E is the natural log, so we write ln, and that's a log base e. Then that answer is the argument of the log, so the natural log of e equals, and then the exponent, which is a 1. Okay, go ahead then and pause the video and try examples A and B on some scratch paper. And when you're ready to check your answers, you can go ahead and resume. So we want to rewrite log base 5 of 1 over 125 equal to -3. So our base is 5, our exponent is -3, and the answer is 1 over 125. Okay, then in example B, we have a base of 1/2. The argument of the log is 64, and that equals the exponent, which is -6. So log base 1/2 of 64 equals -6.